Imagine a future where your AI assistant doesn't just answer prompts, but autonomously executes entire projects. By 2026, experts predict that over 70% of routine knowledge work could be handled by advanced AI agents. Are you ready to command that future? This isn't about basic prompting anymore. This is ChatGPT 2026 Mastery, unlocking the power of AI agents, crafting multimodal content, and automating complex workflows. In this video, I'm giving you 7 pro tips to go beyond simple commands and orchestrate your AI for unprecedented productivity. Let's dive right in with our first crucial strategy. In ChatGPT 2026, the game changes from single-turn prompts to delegating entire tasks to specialized AI agents. These agents are advanced programs that can perceive, reason, act, and even learn from their environment and your feedback. Imagine telling your content marketing agent to research the top 5 blog topics for Q3 2026, draft a 1,000-word post on the chosen topic, optimize it for SEO, and then suggest relevant social media snippets for Twitter and LinkedIn. Instead of you manually prompting each step, this single command kicks off a multi-step, autonomous process, revolutionizing your future AI productivity. Tip 1. Define clear agent roles. Treat your ChatGPT instance as a project manager, meticulously assigning specific functions like researcher agent, writer agent, image creator agent, or code debugger agent. Clearly articulate their purpose and scope within your initial master prompt. This forms the bedrock of master AI workflows and ChatGPT Automation 2026, ensuring each part of your complex task is handled by a specialized, focused AI. Now that we understand agent orchestration, let's talk about the incredible leap in output capabilities, multimodal AI. ChatGPT 2026 won't just output text, it will be genuinely multimodal, generating images, video, audio, and even interactive simulations from a single unified prompt. Imagine typing one command and getting a complete marketing campaign that includes the precise ad copy, a series of high-resolution product images perfectly matching your brand, a 15-second video script with scene descriptions for a TikTok ad, and even an audio voiceover for it. The key is to think in modalities when you prompt. Don't just ask for a description, explicitly specify the visual, auditory, and textual elements you need. Tip 2. Structure unified multimodal prompts. Start with your core objective, then explicitly list the desired output formats and their specifications. For instance, generate a concept for a new sustainable fashion line. Output: 1. A 500-word brand manifesto focusing on eco-friendly materials. 2. 3 mood board images. Specify style: minimalist, organic textures, muted color palette. 3. A 30-second video concept with script for an Instagram reel. Focus on natural lighting, diverse models, upbeat music suggestion. This ensures ChatGPT understands the full scope of your creative brief for advanced multimodal AI prompts. Combining these two forces, intelligent agents and multimodal generation, is where the magic truly happens. Moving on to strategic stacking, we're talking about linking agents together, creating dependencies, and allowing them to pass information and outputs seamlessly. Think of it as a highly efficient production line. An ideation agent generates concepts, passes them to a refinement agent, which then sends the refined ideas to a multimodal creation agent for final asset generation. This is where advanced ChatGPT tips come alive for complex problem-solving and building a ChatGPT agent tutorial in real time. Tip 3. Design interconnected agent flows. Map out your desired workflow visually first. Identify the steps and the type of AI agent best suited for each. Then, write a master prompt that instructs ChatGPT to first deploy Agent A, then feed Agent A's output to Agent B, and so on. For example, Task: launch new product. First, deploy Market Research Agent to analyze competitor pricing and consumer sentiment. Then use that data to instruct Pricing Strategy Agent to optimize price points. Finally, pass optimized pricing and research insights to Launch Campaign Agent for multimodal asset generation across all platforms. Tip 4. Implement Dynamic Context Management. Crucially, instruct your orchestrating agent to maintain a shared memory or context buffer that continuously updates with the outputs and decisions of each sub-agent. This ensures a seamless flow of information and prevents agents from working in isolation, which is vital for true ChatGPT Automation 2026 and mastering complex AI workflows. Of course, even the best AI workflows can be improved. That brings us to a critical, often overlooked aspect of advanced AI interaction: continuous refinement. The future of AI productivity isn't just about initial output, it's about teaching your AI agents to learn from your feedback, refining their performance over time. Think of it as having an intelligent intern who remembers your preferences. If an image isn't quite right, you don't just redo the prompt. You provide specific feedback that the image agent incorporates into future generations. This iterative refinement is how you truly master AI workflows and get bespoke, high-quality results. It transforms ChatGPT into a personalized, constantly improving expert system. Tip 5. Harness iterative refinement and feedback. Implement a deliberate feedback mechanism. After an agent delivers an output, provide specific, actionable critiques. Instead of "make it better," say, "increase the vibrancy of the green tones, remove the background element on the left, and ensure all text is center-aligned." Instruct ChatGPT to store this feedback and apply it to subsequent similar tasks by that agent, allowing for continuous, personalized improvement. Finally, mastering ChatGPT 2026 isn't just about current features. It's about preparing for the continuous evolution of AI. The AI landscape will continue its rapid transformation. To stay ahead, you need to cultivate an adaptive mindset. This means more than just learning new prompts. It means understanding the underlying principles of AI, ethics, and emergent capabilities. The real advanced ChatGPT tips for the long run involve anticipating what's next, being proactive in your learning, and applying responsible AI practices to ensure future AI productivity. Tip 6. Cultivate a continuous learning mindset. Regularly explore new AI research, follow updates from platforms like OpenAI, and actively experiment with emerging agentic frameworks and multimodal AI prompts. The best way to achieve future AI productivity and become a ChatGPT 2026 master is to treat learning about AI as an ongoing project, not a one-time task. Tip 7. Prioritize ethical deployment and bias mitigation. As you build increasingly complex AI agent systems and master AI workflows, actively consider the ethical implications. Prompt your agents to identify and mitigate biases in data, ensure fairness in decision-making, and prioritize transparency in their operations. A responsible AI master is an effective one. There you have it, 7 pro tips to master ChatGPT 2026 and beyond. If you found this glimpse into the future helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to AI Insider for more cutting-edge AI insights, and tell me in the comments, what's the first AI agent you're going to build? Your insights help us all grow. And if you're hungry for more ways to supercharge your AI skills, check out our video on 5 hidden features of GPT-4 right here. Stay smart, stay ahead with AI Insider.